Hey there, health enthusiasts! Welcome. Today we're diving into the top 5 superfoods you should eat every day to boost your health and well-being. You know, I love talking about health and wellness, and I'm always on the lookout for simple, practical tips that can make a big difference in our lives. And let's be real, when it comes to improving our health, what we eat plays a huge role. So, we're gonna be your guides on this journey to a healthier you. We're gonna break down the amazing benefits of these superfoods, and trust me, you're going to want to add these nutritional powerhouses to your grocery list as soon as possible. Get ready to feel amazing. First up, we have the mighty blueberry. These little guys are packed with antioxidants, which are like superheroes for your cells. They fight off those nasty free radicals that can damage your cells and lead to all sorts of health problems. And listen up, because this is important. Blueberries are brain food. They've been shown to improve memory and cognitive function. So, if you're ever feeling forgetful, grab a handful of blueberries. You can enjoy them fresh, frozen, or even in smoothies. One of my favorite ways to eat blueberries is to sprinkle them on top of my oatmeal in the morning. It's like a burst of flavor and health in every bite. Next, we're moving on to the queen of greens, kale. Now, I know some of you might be rolling your eyes, but trust me on this one. Kale is a nutritional powerhouse. It's loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, which are essential for a healthy immune system, strong bones, and glowing skin. And don't even get me started on the calcium content. Kale has more calcium per gram than milk, making it amazing for bone health. We need strong bones, right? You can add kale to smoothies, salads, or even sauté it with some garlic and olive oil for a delicious side dish. One of my favorite ways to eat kale is to make kale chips. Just toss them with a little olive oil and sea salt and bake them in the oven until crispy. They're so good. Now let's talk about salmon. This fatty fish is a nutritional superstar. It's packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for heart health. Omega-3s help to lower blood pressure, reduce inflammation, and improve cholesterol levels. But that's not all. Salmon is also a great source of protein, which is essential for building and repairing tissues, and it's low in saturated fat, making it a heart-healthy choice. You can grill it, bake it, or even eat it raw as sashimi. One of my favorite ways to eat salmon is to make salmon tacos with a mango salsa. It's a delicious and healthy meal that's perfect for any night of the week. Let's move on to quinoa, a super grain that's been enjoyed for centuries. What's so special about quinoa? Well, it's a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids. That's pretty impressive for a plant-based protein. But wait, there's more. Quinoa is also high in fiber, which is important for digestion and weight management. Fiber keeps you feeling full and satisfied, which can help prevent overeating. You can use quinoa in place of rice or couscous in any recipe. One of my favorite ways to eat quinoa is to make a quinoa breakfast bowl with berries, nuts, and a drizzle of honey. It's a delicious and nutritious way to start the day. Last but not least, we have chia seeds. These tiny seeds are packed with nutrients and are incredibly versatile. They're a great source of omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and protein. Chia seeds are also known for their ability to absorb liquid, forming a gel-like consistency. This makes them a great addition to smoothies and puddings, as they can help to thicken them up. You can add them to smoothies, yogurt, or even sprinkle them on top of salads. One of my favorite ways to eat chia seeds is to make chia seed pudding. Simply combine chia seeds with your favorite milk, sweetener, and toppings, and let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a delicious and nutritious breakfast or snack. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about these incredible superfoods. Remember, incorporating these nutrient-rich foods into your daily diet can make a world of difference in your overall health and well-being. Make small changes, one step at a time, and you'll be amazed at the positive impact it can have on your life. Start by adding 1 or 2 of these superfoods to your grocery list and see how you feel. You got this. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips and nutrition advice. Don't forget to check out the Encyclopaedia food book for more in-depth information on superfoods. Click the link in the video description. Stay healthy, and see you next time.